Skyblock, and I'm here with FastDude321, and we're playing Sticky Piston Network. The IP is whipperfanhub.com.
That will be in the description.
Yeah, it will. Someone might be joining our Skyblock.
We got an enchantment table for easy. That's an easy. Oh, and there's a kit where you can get diamonds, and you get 64 times the highest kit rate. Hello.
Oh, wow.
Stop hugging the carpet. How many times on the
Jake!
Who's Jakester?
He just joined our island.
Really?
Yeah. I keep hugging that cactus.
Stop hugging the cactus. Why would you want to hug a cactus? There's a book named what?
Crap, no! Why am I still doing it?
It was the worst, not working.
Okay. Actually, now we're here with Jakester, Fast Dude, and me, Dubman 2004. And we are going to be doing a lot of epic stuff. I've had to delete about 2 episodes.
Able?
2 literally episode 1s. But this one I will not delete. It'll be at least 10 minutes.
Look like I should. Stop hugging the cactus!
Everyone was hugging it for a sec. Oh, it's a tree. Dude, watch out. My wood.
Sorry, can I have that wood? Some wood?
I need wood.
Sorry, I'll give you 2 pieces. I'll take like everything but 2.
Oh, and by the way, that guy has a diamond pick.
I do too. Stop hugging the cactus! Why does everybody want to hug the cactus?
I told you he has a diamond pick, see?
I don't want to use my diamond pick. Gosh, are you a cactus hugger?
Look!
Don't kill yourself by hugging. What was that? And when you died by hugging a cactus, it said, hug the cactus. Stop hugging cactuses.
I just died.
Roll. Can you keep your inventory? Stop hugging a cactus. Cactus hugger.
Look! Look! Look at me!
Ew.
I'm sorry, but no. Just kidding.
Yeah, baby. Do not hug the cactus. Push it. If you hug the cactus, do not hug the cactus, Josh.
Because I'm moving it. Right there.
And you hugged it again. Oh,
Derp! Derp!
There, stop it. That's my cobble. Just stop trying to steal my cobble.
I don't have any.
Stop trying to. Double, double.
Dude, I have 5 saplings. Wow, sand just fell on me. What a big surprise. Wow, sand just fell off the island.
Someone did?
No, frick, sand did. Crap, I'm about to fall off the edge. Fall off the edge. Fall off the edge with my diamond axe. A fee of 10. A fee of 10 things? Oh, I can just give him 10 wood. Or 10 cobble. 10 cobble. I'm gonna give him 10 cobble. He's just gonna be like, what? Because I do have a good skin.
Apple. Parkour to that. Parkour to that.
Okay. I think this episode was... Let's stop this episode right here. Bye!